Hi, I'm here to teach you about area models, and we're going to learn about area models by thinking about a real world thing like a movie theater. So what I'm going to do is start with a really baby small movie theater. We're going to have 3 rows in a movie theater with 5 seats in each row. And what I want to know is how many seats are there altogether in my movie theater. So when I want to make mine movie theater, I'm going to use these as my seats. These are just little squares that help me think about each one as a seat. So I know I have 3 rows with 5 seats in each row. So these are my movie theater bears. They're going to come sit in the movie theater. But in order to think about rows, I have to think about something first. This is the screen. This is where the movie is that we're going to be watching, and it's going to be right up here on this screen. So now I'm going to build my theater. So I'm going to have 3 rows with 5 seats in each row. So far I have 3, 4, 5. That's my first row. Here is my second row. And then here is my third row. Now the nice part about this is I can see that I have 3 rows because this bear loves to sit in the first row. And if you notice, he's facing the screen. And this bear loves to sit behind him, but not directly behind him because he still wants to see the screen. And then I know that I have these 2 pals who plan to talk during the whole movie in the last row. So they're in the third row. So when we count rows, we count this way. Nobody ever lines up in a movie theater line to sit in the first column. They want to sit in the first row. So that's what we have here. Now I could count this by 3s to figure out how many seats. I'd have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Or because they're in groups of 5, I can count by 5s. So I have 5, 10, 15. You want to pick the best way to count. Now the thing is, if I wanted to tell someone about this that I just drew, that'd be pretty tricky to like carry these around with me everywhere. So instead what I can do is try to draw a diagram or draw a picture, or you might have heard this word before, an area model. So that means I'm going to draw it like this to show this is my whole movie theater. And then this is the first row. And there are 5 seats in each row. This is the second row. Same thing, 5 seats in each row. Oops, I'm bumping them. And then this is the third row already drawn. And I'm going to draw my seats. So that way, when I move my seats out of the way, I know they will be there. So I'm just going to make a couple of notes. I have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and I have 5 seats in each row. So now when my tools disappear, you can see I have an area model. Now some people really like to do a shortcut. They make an area model where they actually just draw the box without any of the lines in it. But that's why we put these numbers here, because even though the lines and the boxes and the seats aren't on the inside, I still know that I have 3 rows with 5 seats in each row because of these numbers here.